Welcome! In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to view your created lists on X. If you've made a few lists to organize accounts you follow but you're not sure how to find them again, don't worry. This updated guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open the X app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left corner for the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, often called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on that to open up the main menu. From here, you'll see several options, but you'll want to select the one labeled Lists. This is the section of the app where all lists, both the ones you've created and the ones you follow, can be found. Tap on it and you'll be taken directly to your Lists page. Once the page loads, all the lists you've created will appear here. You'll notice each list is displayed with its name and a preview of the accounts added to it. If you've built multiple lists, you can scroll through to find the one you're looking for. Tapping on a list will open it up, allowing you to see posts from the accounts you curated in that specific group. This feature is particularly helpful if you enjoy keeping your feed organized. For example, you may have one list for news updates, another for your favorite creators, and maybe even one for close friends. Instead of scrolling endlessly through your entire timeline, lists let you focus on the content you want with just a tap. And that's all it takes. To quickly recap, open the X app, tap the menu icon, select Lists, and there you'll find everything you've created neatly in one place. Lists are a powerful way to personalize your experience, so knowing where to access them makes using X a lot more efficient. If you haven't made a list yet, now is the perfect time to start experimenting with them. Thanks for following along.